Jai Hind to all. So today's topic is Karnaugh Map, and this topic has been taken from the subject Fundamentals of Electronics Engineering, and the subject code is BEC 101. So basically, K-map is a graphical method which is used to simplify the Boolean expressions representing the truth table in a two-dimensional grid. So basically, we are having the expressions y is equal to a b bar plus ab, and we have to simplify this expression. Simplify means there are two groups here, two terms are here, and there are two variables in this, a b bar and here ab. So we have to reduce the number of the terms here and number of the variables that are used here. So we can take the a as common, and we will be having b bar plus b. So we know that b bar plus b is equal to 1. So this will be simplified as a. So a is a single term and only one variable is there. So this is a simplified version of this expression, a b bar plus ab, that is a. So we can also simplify this with the help of the K-map. So K-map is a graphical method which can simplify any expression. So this expression is in the form of SOP, sum of product. Means this a b bar, this is the sum, this is the product term, and this is also the another product term, and this plus indicates this is the sum of the two products. And like if the expression is in the form like a plus b bar and a plus b, so this is the expression is in the POS form. So we can also simplify the expression in the POS form with the help of the K-map. So these are the rules for the K-map. Like we know, group size, group must contain a power of 2, number of cells 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Like when we make a K-map, we have to make a groups of the 1 or 0. Like this is for the two variable K-map, a b, like in this way. So this is 0 1 0 1. We have to simplify this expression ab bar plus a bar b bar. So we have to simplify this expression, and this is the graphical representation of the K-map for the two variable K-map. So in this we have put a here and b here, and now this is a single variable, so its value may be 0 or 1, and this p is also the single variable, so its value may be 0 and 1. So this cell is 0 0, this cell is 0 1, this cell is 1 0, and this cell is 1 1. So this 0 0 represents the minterm M0. This is for the M1, this is for the M2, and this is for the M3. So now if this expression is in the form of SOP, we will put the value of these minterms as 1 in the K-map. And if this is expression in the form of a POS, we will put 0 in these cells. So that is in second rule, we can see groupings 1 SOP. For sum of products, only group adjacent 1s. Zeros cannot be included in these groups for product of some group adjacent zeros. Means if expressions are in the SOP, then we will put 1 in these cells, and if the expressions in the POS, then we will put 0 in the K-map. So if now we will put the values of this AB. AB means AB means like this is 1 and 1. So we will put here 1. This a b bar means this is 1 0. So we will put 1 here, and for that case a bar b bar, this is 0 0. So we will put 1 here. Now we have put the value of all these minterms in the cells of this K-map. Now we will make the group. So we can for making the group, we have to follow the rule number 1, that the group size must be the 2 to the power of n, and where n is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 and so on. Like if we put the value of n is 0, that to the power 0 is equal to 1. So group size may include the single one. We can make the group of single one. We can make the group of 2 to the power 1 2, means 2 1. Like 2 1, we can make a pair. But if we put the value of n is 2, then 2 to the power 2 is 4. So we can make the group of 4 ones, that is called as a quad. But we cannot make the pair of the 3 ones, like in this way. because it is not coming as 2 to the power. If there is no value of n by which we can get number of 1 as 3. So here 2 pairs are possible, like in this way. We cannot make a group which includes a 3 1 or which includes a 5 1 or which includes a 7 1, 9 1, 11 1. We can make a groups which includes a single 1, 2 1, 4 1, 8 1 and so on. So and so in this way, and number of groups should be minimum. Group size should be large. So means if quad is possible, then we will not go for the pair. If octave is possible, then we will not move for the quad or to the pair or to the single. So group size must be large and number of groups should be less. I mean, we have also checked for the redundant group. Redundant group means like this group is not redundant, because this group, it contains this one that is not shared by another group, and here in this group we can see this one is there which is not shared by another group. Only this one is the common in between this group and this group. So both of the groups are correct because they do not have any redundant bit. Now we have to give the name to this group, that is the G1, and we can see for these two ones the rows are 0 and 1 and the column is same, that is B bar. And for this group, that is the G2, we can see the rows of these both one are same, that is A. So the final answer would be equal to A plus B bar. So this is the simplified value of the expression A B plus AB bar and A bar B bar. Now two variable K-map, like I have shown in the last slide. Like if we have expression like in this way, A plus B and A bar plus B bar and A bar plus B. So how we will solve this question? So we will have two variable K-map like in this way, A, B. Now this is 0, 1, 0, 1. So this in case of the POS, this 0 represents the A and this 1 represents the A bar. Similarly here this is B and this is B bar. So this is 0, 0, this is 0, 1, this is 1, 0 and this is 1, 1. So we know that A plus B represents the 0, 0. A bar plus B bar represents the 1, 1. And A bar plus B, it represents the 1, 0, because these are the max terms, because this is a POS representation. Now we will put the values here, like now at 0, 0 we will put a 0, at 1, 1 we will put 0, at 1, 0 we will put 0. So this is how we have placed the value 0, because this problem is of the POS value, POS form. So now we will make the groups. Now there are 3 zeros in the K-map. So we can make the group of 2 zeros, single 0. So here the possibility of 2 zeros are there. So this is the group number 1 and this is the group number 2. Now what is the name of this group G1? So we can there are 2 zeros in this group and the row of this 0 is this and the row of this 0 is this and the column of both zeros is same, that is the B is equal to 0. So B is equal to 0, so the name of this group is B. And for G2 we can see it is related to the A bar. So final answer is the A bar B. A bar B is the final answer. Because there are two groups, so we will have to take the product of both these groups. So this is the final answer for the two variable K-map. Now if the question is like in the form of the SOP, like in this way, A, B plus A bar, B bar plus A bar, B. So how can we solve this question? We will have to make the two variable K-map, A, B. After that this is 0, 1, 0, 1. Now we can see like this is 0, 0, this is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now we will put the value of AB, that is 1, 1, this is 0, 0, this is 0, 1. So at 1, 1, at 0, 0, and at 0, 1. So now this A is equal to 0, it represents the A bar. This is A, this is B bar, and this is B. Now we will make the groups like in this way. This is G1 and this is G2. Now the G1 is equal to A bar and G2 is equal to B. So final result will be Y is equal to A bar plus B. So this is the final result here. Now 3 variable K map. So in 3 variable K map, like we have 3 variables. Like expression is like in this way: A, B, C, A bar, B, C plus A, B, C bar. Now we have to simplify this expression. So for this we will make the 3 variable K map like in this way. This is A, this is B, C, and this is the problem of the SOP. So this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, so here only one variable is there, that is A. So single variable is there, so possibility of A will be 0 or 1, and there are 2 variables here, so there will be possibility of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. 4 combinations may be possible, and here the binary numbers are represented in the gray code, so that we can find out the common in the 2 adjacent cells. So this is the M0, this is M1, this is M2, this is M3, this is M4, M5, M6 and M7. Now we will place the values of these minterms in the K map. So this ABC, this is equal to 1, 1, 1. So this is equal to 7. And this is 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1 is this cell. 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0 is this cell. So we have placed all the ones in the K map. Now we have to make the group. So we cannot make the group which includes the 3 ones. So we will make a pair here. This is the group number 1 and this is the another group G2. Now we will check for the redundant group. We can see here this group contains this one that it is not shared by another group, and here this one is there which is not shared by the another group. So both groups are correct. Now this G2 will be equal to this 0, 0 means like B bar, C bar. This is B bar C, this is B C, this is B C bar, and this 0 is A bar and this is equal to A. So this G2 will be equal to BC and this G1 is equal to AB. So final answer would be equal to AB plus BC. AB plus BC is the final answer. Now if what will happen if all the cells of the K map will include 1. So the answer will be in that case Y is equal to 1. And like if the expression is in the form like A plus B and B plus C. So here we can see this is not in the canonical form. Means canonical form is like each term include all the variables. Like here A, B, C 3 variables are there, but this term include A plus B only. Here C is missing, and here is in this term A is missing. So before putting the values 1 or 0 in the K map, we have to convert that expression into the canonical form. So we have to convert this first into the canonical form, like A plus B plus C, C bar. So we will add CC bar. The term which is missing here is C. So we will add CC bar. CC bar, the value of CC bar is 0, like in this way. Now we will write it as A plus B plus C and then A plus B plus C bar. After that A plus B plus C and then A bar plus B plus C. So we have written this A plus B plus CC bar. By using this formula, we have used this formula like A plus BC, A plus B and A plus C. By using this formula, this is our A, this is B and this is C. So by using this formula, we have written this expression. Now this term has come 2 times, so we will write only 1 time, because a into a into a is equal to a. So the final expression will be equal to a plus b plus c, and then a plus b plus c bar, and then a plus b plus c. So now we have converted this expression in POS into this expression. This is the canonical form. So before putting any expressions into the K-map, we have to convert that expression into the canonical form or the standard form. Now we will make the K-map. So K-map, like this is A, this is BC. So like this is 0 0, this is 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is 0, this is 1. This is M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. Now we will put the values here. So we can see A plus B plus C. It means 0 0 0. And this is 0 0 1. This is 0 1 1. Now for 0 0 0 0 0, this is the case. And for 0 0 1, this is the case. For 0 1 1, 0 1 1, this is the case. So we have put all the values here. Now we have to make the groups, and we cannot make a group which includes the 3 zeros. So we will make 2 pair here. This is the one pair and this is the another pair. This is the group number 1. This is the group number 2. Now this 0 0, it means like this is B plus C. This 0 1 is B plus C bar. This is B bar plus C bar. B bar plus C. This 0 means this is A. 1 means A bar. Because these are the max terms. So 0 0 will represent the B plus C. And 0 1 will represent the B plus C bar. So now we have to write the names of the group 1. So we can see these zeros both have a same row, that is A. And from columns we can take the common as A plus C bar. So group 1 is A plus C bar, and group 2 is A, and from the column we can take the B. So group 2 is A plus B, and group 1 is A plus C bar. So final answer will be equal to A plus C bar multiplied by A plus B. So this is the simplified version of this expression A plus B and B plus C. Now 4 variable K-map, and for the SOP. So 4 variable K-map is represented by this. Like A, B, C, D, 4 variables are there. So this is the A, B, C, D. So this is 0 0, this is 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So this cell is M0, this is M1, this is M2, this is M3, M4, M5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So in 4 variable K-map, there will be a number of cells will be equal to the power 4. That is 16 cells will be there, starting from M0, M0 to M15. And the binary numbers are written here in the form of a gray code. So we can take a common from the adjacent columns, like 0 and 1, we can take the 1 as column common. So now we will write the names here, like this 0 0. If it is in the SOP, we are studying as SOP. So it will be C bar, D bar. This is C bar, D. This is CD. This is C, D bar. This is A bar, B bar. This is A bar, B. This is A, B. And this is A, B bar. Now we have to put the values of ones here. And we have expressions in the form y is equal to A, B, C, D, A, B bar, C, D. And then A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus A bar, B bar, C bar, D. like this is the expression, and we have to simplify this expression. So if this expression is not in the form of the canonical form, we have to convert this expression into the canonical form first. Then after that we will put the values of ones in the K-map. So ABCD, like all ones. ABCD, this is the ABCD cell. AB bar CD, yani means 1 0 1 1. 1 0 1 1 is this cell, and after that 0 0 0 is this cell, and 0 0 1 0 0 1 is this cell. So we have put all the values of ones in the K-map. Now we have to make the group. So here the group size, largest group size may be octave, but octave is not possible because 8 ones are not here. We can see 4 ones are there, but does not make a quad. So it simply makes a pair. That is, this is the one pair, group 1, and this is the another pair. This is the group 2. So we can name the group 1. That is, these both one belongs to the same column, that is the CD, and from row we can take the common A. So A C D. Group 1 is A C D, and group 2 we can see A bar, B bar, and then C bar. So final answer is A C D plus A bar, B bar, and C bar. So this is a simplified version of this expression. Now we can also analyze this K-map for different values of ones. Like if we can put the value of 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here, and 1 here. So and only these 4 ones are there, that I have written with the purple color, and this will make a quad. This is called a folded quad. And if we like, here also 1 is there. So we can see these 4 1 are there, these 4 1 are there. So this will make a quad. This will make a octave. And like here 1 also there. So this is also make a octave. So this is the possibility that how we can make a different groups. And we have to also check for the redundant group. If we have to check that whether a single one must be there, so that which is not shared by the another group. If this is a redundant group, we have to remove the group. Like if expression is written in the form of also, like in this way, 0 1 3 5 7 11 15. These numbers are the min terms. For at these numbers we have to put the value 1. Like this is our K-map. This is AB, this is CD, and now we will put the values. This is 0 0, this is 0 1, this is 1 0 1 1, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now we can write 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Now we will put the values here. Like for 0 it will be 1, here it will be 1 3 5 7 11 and 15. So we have put all the values of these min terms in the K-map, and now we have to make the group. So we can see these groups are like this is the group, this is a quad, and this is another quad, and this is the pair. So this is the group 1, this is the group 2, and this is the group 3. So we can see if the group 1, these 2 ones are there only in this group. It is not shared by another group. So this group is correct. This is not the redundant group. And in this group we can see this one is there, that is not shared by another group. So this group is also correct. And we can see this group, this one is there, which is not shared by another group. So this is not the redundant group. So all these 3 groups are correct here. And we can now give the name to these groups. G1, we can see all these 4 ones, they have a different rows, and there is nothing common in these rows. And from the column we are getting 1 1, that is equal to CD. And from G2 we can see from these 2 rows we are getting this 0 as common, that is equivalent to A bar. And from the column we are getting the A bar T. And in this group we can see for this A bar, B bar, and from the column we are getting the C bar. So final answer is this: A bar, B bar, C bar plus CD plus A bar D. So this is how we can solve the problems of the SOP in 4 variables. This is also for the SOP, K-map SOP. Here we can take the problems of the POS, like POS, product of sum. Like we have problem in our hand, A plus B plus C plus D, and another A plus B plus C, and then A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. So we have to simplify this. So for this we will make a K-map of 4 variables, like in this way: A, B, C, D, like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now we have to put the values of all this. So A plus B plus C plus D means all 0. So we will put 0 here. This means 1, 0, 1, 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0 is this. And here we can see this is 1, 1, 1, 1. So for all 1, we will have this. So here we can see, because this is the diagonal grouping is not possible here. So this is already simplified. It cannot be simplified further. Like we will add one component here also. Like we have added A plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar here. So we will put 0 here. So in this case, in that case, we can see this is the one of the group, and this is the another group. So this is the G1 and this is G2, and this will be G3. It will not be grouped by another 0. So this G1 will be equal to 1, 0, that is A bar plus B, A bar plus B, and from column we can find plus C bar. And for G2 we can write A bar and then C bar, D bar. And for this we can write A plus B plus C plus D. So final answer will be the multiplication of all these: A plus B plus C plus D, and after that A bar plus C bar plus D bar, and then A bar plus B bar, B plus C bar. So POS we have discussed in the last slide, and this is the K-map with the don't care inputs, and this is a 4 variable K-map. So we have problems like these are the don't care inputs. For these inputs the output may be 0 or 1. So we can assume any one to make the group size large, and it is not necessary to cover all the don't care input. We have to cover all the ones only. So we have put all the values of the ones and cross. Like this cell was 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we can say don't care inputs are at the place 5, 8, 9. So we have put here 5, 8 and then 9. So we can see we have to occupy all the ones. So for we can assume these don't cares as 1, so as to make this group a large, that is of quad, and these this will also make a quad. So we can use a don't care input for making the group size large. It is not necessary to cover all the don't cares. So we will discuss the 5 variable or 6 variable in our next lecture. Thank you.